Welcome back. This is the third introduction video of this Modern E-commerce Store update course. So friend, as I was telling you about this shipping zones which will be created very easily. So, and you can edit them. So friend, like this zone, I have created the Europe zone and this United Kingdom is in this Europe zone. But its price has not applied over it. Sorry. Over this. Why? Because I would like to tell you that I have limited it to these postal codes. So if I copy any of these postal code like this one, I will edit it and then I will copy. Like I will copy this postal code, I copy it and I paste it here. This is the postal code. So I paste it here. And now I also paste this here. This one. So now this postal code is the same. It is the 53729. The here 53729. So now I click update shipping zone. So now it is price. The Europe zone price, this one price, which is 1 to 2 days, will be applied over it. Will be applied over here. So I reload it. So now you can see that this price has been changed. Next day order place $30 and speedy 1 to 2 days $1. So in this way you can make different country shipping zone. You can assign the postal codes and you can limit it to those postal codes to those zones. And now I will explain you that how can you add the countries, whatever the countries which are showing here, like all these countries. So this is the country. So you will click over here, insert country, and this country you will insert a country here. And view countries, and you will view countries. You can delete countries and you can edit countries through. And this is the pagination. So you will add countries and then you will make the shipping zones of different countries through here. Insert shipping zone, you will make the different zones of different shipping countries. Even you will make the shipping zone of a single country, different cities. Like you can make a zone about Pakistan zone region and you can add the zone cities like Lahore, Karachi, Multan, and you can make the zone India and you can add Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta and others. Like I have created these shipping zones here. I would like to show you that if I show you view shipping zones, all these zones like Asia zone, Japan, India, Russia, and you can give different postal codes to confine them. Europe zone, America zone, Karachi zone and Lahore zone. In this way you can create the zone and you can give the postal codes and you can make the international shipping types. This is the view shipping types. You can make the international shipping zone like express, international and standard, and you can add more, extra fast and whatever you want. And you can add the different countries through these countries, insert countries and view countries. And one more section which is the download. If I click over insert download, so it is about the digital products. You will give here the digital product title, you will select the products and you will select the bundle, digital product bundle, and you will upload a file. This uploaded file will be shown here in view downloads. So these are the files which will be downloaded by the customers who will buy your digital products. You can edit and you can delete. So friend, I hope that now this theme will give you more and more functionalities to run your own online store, because now you can add very easily the shipment addresses, your shipping address, your billing address. You can pay through credit card, you can pay through the PayPal, and you can pay through the offline, and you can make the shipping zone according to your own choices, and you can send your physical bought products to the customer home addresses and billing addresses. Home address and billing address are the different. So as I would like to show you that this person is the billing address and this is the shipping address, and if the same, then you will select only the yes. So I have already explained you about this person, this my account, which is the new functionality of orders, and this one new functionality of this addresses, and then the wish list. So I hope now you will like this course. And one more thing I would like to tell you, last but not least, that after making these updates, this course will be updated again and it will be converted to multi-vendor website. I mean, every customer will have its own admin panel, same like Amazon and eBay, and every customer will upload his physical or digital products. He will choose his own zone and he will sell his digital and physical products on your website, and you will get a commission if anybody sells your at this stage. It has not been converted to multi-vendor, but in next updates I will convert this website into multi-vendors and I will make the business intelligence system. For example, if a person buy this one, then same this kind of other most sold products will be shown over his page, that these are the other most wanted products, so you can buy them. So I can convert them into the multi-vendor. So this website and this course will be taken to a new peak in these updates. So I hope that you will like these updates and you will like this course. So goodbye. And one more thing which I forgot to tell you, that these shipping zones are draggable. As you are watching that Asia zone, Europe, so you can drag them. You can drag them and you can keep anywhere according to your choice, wherever you want to keep. And in the same way, these local types, shipping local types, are also draggable and you can drag them. You can drag them and keep anywhere. And secondly, you can delete them. For example, if I delete to I want to delete this Africa zone, so I shall click over delete. So now you will see that it will be deleted. One zone has been deleted, so now that has been deleted. And in the same way, you can delete any type. So if I want to delete this fast delivery, I will come here and I will delete. So now one type has been deleted. So now you will see. So you can also delete this one which was created like this new international type. You will delete it. Your one shipping type has been deleted. So now you can see that you can delete any type and you can drag to change their alignment, and in the same way you can drag these zones to change their alignment and you can delete them from here. So now I would like to see you in my course. So goodbye.